Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best minestrone soup. First, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 cup of diced onion, 1 cup of diced carrots, and 1 cup of diced celery. Sauté these vegetables for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are tender. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for an additional 1 minute until fragrant. Next, we'll build the rich tomato base. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes to the pot, stirring well. Pour in 8 cups of high-quality vegetable or chicken broth. Incorporate 2 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now it's time for the hearty additions. Add 2 cups of diced potatoes, 1 cup of sliced zucchini, and 1 cup of trimmed green beans to the simmering soup. Stir in 1/2 cup of small pasta, such as ditalini or elbow macaroni. Continue to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender and the pasta is perfectly al dente. For the final flavor boost, stir in 2 cups of fresh spinach and 1 15-ounce can of drained cannellini beans. Cook for just a few minutes until the spinach wilts. Season the soup generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Ladle the hot minestrone into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley and grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your delicious, homemade minestrone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.